And like I always say, guys, you have to have the body language and the facial expression to go with all of this. You gotta express what you're saying and how you're feeling with these patois words. Don't bow to me. Cry to God. Cry to Jesus.
Hey, don't bow to me. Cry to God. Cry to Jesus. Don't bow to me. Oh God.
So the first word is cucumber. The next word is cabbage. Vegetable. Weather. Smuddy. Tree. Like the tree outside. So letter 3 is tree and tree outside is tree. Boat. Planting. Can. Falla. Comfortable. Morning. Afternoon.